Hello, hello guys. Ako po si Habi po. Today mag-a-unboxing muna tayo guys. So, a-unboxing ko yung mga school supplies ko kasi mag-grade na ako, papasok na ako guys. Ito na guys, yung binili ni mama. So, school supplies ko po. Let's open. Oops. Ito yung binili first natin na binili. Box na kulay black. Let's open.
What do you think is that?
Ito na po yung colors of rice. Tada!
Can you guess what's inside before you open? Ha? Get another one.
Yes po.
Can you guess what's inside?
Guys, baka pencil case ko na Lego.
Pencil case. Oh, check it out.
Check.
What's that?
Oh, sorry guys. May extra face mask para hindi maubo. Dalawa. Tada!
Can you guess what's inside before you open?
Baka t-shirt yata, guys. Tada! May bagong jackets para hindi malamigan sa loob ng school. Okay.
What's inside muna?
Baka lalagyan na to ng food ko. Kasi check.
What's that?
No.
What's that?
Guys, nagkamali tayo. Meron tayo may bagong socks.
Socks. Okay.
Para hindi mainitan. Maya. At sa pula naman. Baka Lego na tawag dito. Lego na pencil case. Let's check, guys. Oh, nangkamali na naman tayo, guys.
What's that?
Meron tayong lapis dalawa pa.
Next, get. What's that?
I don't know, guys. Let's check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 erasers para kapag maling ginawa mo, mayroon kang kasamang pagkira. Let's check, guys. Let's check that.
What's that?
Meron tayong sharpener.
Show it.
Para ito po, guys. Para kapag nasira, guys, yung lapis, meron pang sharpener, guys. One last pack.
Last na yan? Can you guess what's inside? Can you guess what's inside?
Baka pencil case ko na po,
Saan ka ba excited? Sa pencil case?
Bye. And that.
What's that? Open it!
Pencil case.
Open!
Oh! Yes! Tinatay ng kamali, guys.
Careful. Can I help you, Mama?
Ay, gudag lang. Na, guys!
Okay, patingin. Maganda.
Guys,
Open. Mayroon pang dalawa. Open. What's that? Oh, another sharpener. Another one.
Sharpener tayo para kapag nawala yung sharpener na isa, meron pa tayong Legong sharpener. We have Ito pala guys, ang ruler. Kapag nagdaro ka sa school, meron kang kasamang ruler. Go. Ito, para...
Tingin. Lagay mo nga dito. Ah.
Paano ito mabuksan? Paano? Baka kasi masira agad.
O later. Next. Get another one. Meron pa ba?
Tada!
What is that?
Isang packaging.
Oh, another pencil.
Meron tayong green na pencil.
Wow.
Tapos may pambula ba? Ate,
Oh, meron pa isa.
bigat guys. Tatagal sa ulan guys.
Lakas ng ulan.
Oh. Ito na guys. Ito na guys yung malaking box. Sobrang bigat guys. We have pens. We have 3 paper. We have notebooks.
How many notebooks do you have? Can you
Got
count?
1. Got 2. We got 3. Got 4. We got 5. Got 6. Got 7. Got 8 pieces of
8
notebook.
pieces of notebook na meron na siyang multiplication table. O, di ba? And meron siyang lupang hinirang. Wow! And yung math notebook mo is like this. Yan. Square-square yung notebook ni Habi. What grade ka na pagpasok?
Pagpasok ko, grade 2!
Okay, grade 2 ka na. So, excited ka na pumasok?
Yes.
So, let's try kung gaano ka colorful yung crayon. So, try natin kung gaano ka pigmented. Oh, pwede na. Pink, blue orange, blue green, yellow, rust, neon color. Ang ganda ng pagka-neon color. Dark green.
Galit ako.
Not your ordinary crayons. Mura lang bili ko nito eh. It's 36 pieces, different colors.
Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you saan?
Thank you, Mama. Sa school surprise.
You're welcome. Alin yung pinaka-bet mo doon? Alin yung pinaka-gusto mo?
Yung pencil case.
Pencil case. Yung crayon.
Gusto ko din.
Gusto mo din? Ganda ng crayons na. Hindi mo nagustuhan yung windbreaker mong jacket?
Gusto ko din.
Gusto mo din? Doon yung tapilitan.
Thank you for watching. Always be good to your parents. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Do you love your parents?